Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Geico for telematics authorization setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Geico website. Navigate to the telematics section of the site. Log into your Geico account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up button. After logging in, locate the telematics authorization option in your account dashboard. Read through the information provided regarding telematics data collection. Click on the Authorize button to proceed with the setup. Follow the prompts to confirm that you understand the terms and conditions. Provide any necessary vehicle information as requested. Enter your consent for data collection, ensuring all fields are filled out accurately. Review the summary of your authorization details. Click on the Submit button to finalize your telematics authorization. You will receive a confirmation message once your authorization is successful. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation email from Geico. If you do not receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. After authorization, you can download the Geico Telematics app if required. Follow the setup instructions within the app to link it to your account. Monitor your driving habits through the app for insights and potential discounts. Contact Geico customer service if you encounter any issues during the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.